I am Dr.Parit Ladani, consultant oral and maxillofacial surgeon added to SL Raheja Hospital. I have done my fellowship in cleft lip and cleft palate surgery from Mumbai, Switzerland and Taiwan, and I am trained in advanced orthognathic surgery from Germany. My special interest is cleft lip and cleft palate surgery and orthognathic surgery. So, I am a maxillofacial surgeon, so let us first understand the term oral and maxillofacial surgeon. So, oral means mouth, maxillo means jaw and facial means face. So, I deal with any disease, any deformity or any problem associated with face, jaw and mouth. For example, let us take some birth defect. Second most common birth defect is cleft lip and cleft palate. Incidence is around 1 out of 800 birth. So, this children's having a cut lip or cut palate and they have a problem with their look as well as function like swallowing and speaking. So, I do their surgery at around 4 months for cleft lip repair and 1 year for the cleft palate repair. These patients also face some developmental problem because of that their jaw is not properly aligned. So, they may require bone grafting surgery, jaw corrective surgery and rhinoplasties at the later date. After doing all this surgery, cleft lip and cleft palate patients can live a normal life like any other children. Another example is jaw corrective surgery. So, in jaw corrective surgery, patients' jaw are not properly aligned, either they are retrognathic or they are forwardly placed. Because of that, their bite is not proper, they have a chewing problem, they have a speaking problem and many of them might have a snoring problem. So, in jaw corrective surgery, we usually move upper and the lower jaw and if required their chin, and we can properly align their jaw. So, after correction, their facial appearance improves, their bite improves and all the functions also relatively improves. So, this correction gives them more confidence in life and they can live a normal life. Another example is a temporomandibular joint problem. So, many times patient develops some clicking or pain in the temporomandibular joint. So, I deal with the temporomandibular joint problem. So, many times we do surgery to correct them, for example, displacement correction or arthrocentesis or arthroscopy. Many patients may have a jaw fracture because of the road traffic accident or because of some interpersonal violence. So, this patient may have a jaw fracture or some laceration on their face, and we correct this by surgery by doing open reduction and internal fixation and cosmetic repair of their facial laceration. Apart from that, I do dental implants and wisdom tooth surgery. So, all these facilities are available at SL Raheja Hospital. Thank you.